our reporting on federal immigration efforts here, you have heard us use the word undocumented a lot, but there's confusion and misinformation around what it means to be undocumented in the U.S.
When it comes to immigration law, is it a crime or a civil matter? Tonight, Brittany Ehrman has answers for you and why it matters.
Legal experts say in immigration law, the words illegal and crime do not mean the same thing, because in most cases, when you're in the U.S. without lawful status, it's a civil violation, not a criminal one.
The legal reality of immigration status is often different from public perception.
When public officials refer to undocumented immigrants as criminals, is that legally accurate?
I would say no. And the reason for that is because at least over the past 10 years or so, a vast majority of the newer undocumented immigrants are not people who crossed unlawfully. It's actually people who came in legally with a tourist visa and overstayed that visa.
U of M law professor Ana Petratz-Acosta says simply being present in the U.S. without legal status is generally a civil matter, not a criminal one.
It is generally viewed as a civil offense where you can be subjected to immigration enforcement and be placed in what's called removal proceedings, which is a civil process to remove you from the country.
These proceedings happen in immigration court, not criminal court, and it comes with due process rights. But in some instances, criminal charges could apply.
For example, entering the country without authorization is a federal misdemeanor. Re-entering after a prior deportation is a felony.
If you are not charged at the time of your entry with unlawful entry, it's sort of similar to like how if you happen to be speeding when you're driving your car, if you're not pulled over, you still are technically guilty of the crime of speeding, but you don't receive a ticket or have a criminal record.
Experts say immigration status is not one size fits all.
That legal complexity is why experts say due process is critical.
By moving them to a large detention center in Texas, you are removing the person from all of their support systems, including in many cases from their lawyer.
Brittany Ehrman, 5 Eyewitness News.